Bienvenidos. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Gladys Decor, living clutter free. Welcome to another video. Guys, you don't even know how excited I was to get this video out to you guys. As you can see, the title of this video is going to be my fall 2021 haul. And this is not everything, this is just mere things. So before we get into the video, let me give you guys a little warning. I want you to get yourself a cup of tea, coffee, iced coffee, whatever. Just get yourself some cup of drink, sit down, put your feet up and relax, because you're going to get inspired by what I got here today. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video, because you guys know I can sit here and talk forever. Let's get into the video. Let's go. So if you're new to my channel, it's the first time you see my face, my name is Gladys. I'm a mama of 3. In this channel, I show you guys how to live minimal, clutter-free. Trust me, you will enjoy this page. So go ahead and click on that subscribe button. And also, when it asks you to click on the notification bell, do so, because it's going to help you when I get new videos for you to know what I got. So without wasting any more time, guys, let's get into the video. The first thing I want to show you guys, I am buying my fall decor items little by little. So I went into my fall bin and looked at it, and I was like, Gladys, you is dry. I had like no fall things, nothing that brought me joy. There were very little knickknacks. As you guys know, I don't do little knickknacks anymore. I want to get decor that brings me so much joy. So I will show you guys the decor and let you guys know the stores I purchased them from. If I can see the price, I will let you know how much it costs and go and run to the store. So first store I want to start with is Hobby Lobby. So this is what I got. It's a pumpkin. It's like 3 trios pumpkin with like little reef things on them. It's so super pretty. I love that. So Hobby Lobby is currently doing a 40% sale. They will do the 50% sale, just in case you don't know. It was $15.99. However, this I purchased for $9. So this is what it looks like, and it's just super pretty, guys. Okay, so the next item I got are these. They're actually a set of 3, and let me show you the other one. So this is what it looks like. It's super cute. So let me just use one and show you guys what my idea was. So this is actually from Facebook Marketplace. The girl was selling the set. It's a set of 3, and I just love that brown rich color, because that's the color I'm going for this fall. I just love how simple and pretty that looks with the off-white kind of whatchamacallit vase on the top of it here. I can see it on this side table or on like my mantle. I think it's going to look super pretty. So I don't know what you guys' color for fall is going to be, but as you guys can already see, that's my color for fall. And then the next item I got are these Hobby Lobby really beautiful rich color flowers, leaves, plants, whatever these are. I love that. This was $4.99 minus 40% for each stems. Yeah, these are called stems. So I really like that, and I think it's gonna look super cute in a vase. So now we are at Walmart. So these are Walmart pumpkin. Walmart still doesn't have all the fall items, especially in my store. Oh, sorry, there was a fly. Especially in my store. It doesn't have all the fall items out yet, but these are like the fabrics pumpkin. I love that color, plus the orange one and the burnt red one, which is my favorite of all time. Like, to see like that as a set, how cute would that be? And each of these were 99 cents each, so this cost me $3. So since we're already here talking about pumpkin, I'm gonna continue into that pumpkin route. And the other one I have, this is not pumpkin, but this is like an acorn with another one. And these 2 pumpkins, 1 and 2 are from the Dollar Tree. So I like this, but I don't like the color. So I'm going to spray paint these. I don't know what color yet, but I'm definitely going to spray paint these. and I like this color as it is. I think I can sprinkle some pumpkins here and there, and I love that rich color of the wood one. I think it's super cute, and this was all at the Dollar Tree. Okay, so since we're already on the pumpkin route, let's continue. This was from IKEA, and look at that rich color. Isn't it this super cute? I love this color so much. I think this like that kind of bluish greenish goes with so many other things. You can put this in like a cute basket or whatever, but I think I just need a couple more bigger pumpkins and I should be set with pumpkins. But so far I got my small little pumpkins that I can sprinkle here and there. Okay guys, let's continue. So I'm going to do all the what is it called, florals, and then we are going to continue. So I love this pampas grass. Like, look how beautiful that is. Like, it's super cute. I love that. This was actually purchased from Burlington, and it was $9.99. I just love that color. I think it's super duper cute. Now I have another pampas grass, but I'm not gonna remove it from the vase because it makes a lot of mess. So when you have those, like, you need to spray paint them with like that clear gloss thingy so that it doesn't move, or just leave it alone. But the pampas grass here, it was actually from whatchamacallit, Home Depot. So I was doing a client's home, and then I was going in there to grab some things, and I saw this, and I was like, oh my god, my pampas grass, that's what I wanted, and I got it, and I love this scent, so I can't wait to utilize it for fall, including this vase. Also, I got it at Ross, and it was $11.99, and I also got it for fall season. So I am building my fall collection little by little. Okay, so then this one, it's simple, but it's super cute. I just love that brown color. It's $10.99, and this was from Hobby Lobby, and it was actually 50% off. The florals was 50% off, but it was 50% off, so it was about $5, and I just love that. And I also got this moss. Is that moss from the Dollar Tree? Two of them. I got two of them. You don't need to see it. I mean, I bored you with showing you all of those. And also, I got these flower stems from Hobby Lobby as well. They're so beautiful, guys. Like, let me show you. Like, look how pretty that is. I have so much more, but I can't wait to utilize this in a vase. I love that color. Again, for fall, I'm going for that, you know, warm fall color. So those are all my, you know, leaves and things like that. Look how pretty that is. Do you see that? How beautiful is this? This is from Hobby Lobby, and this was actually $14.99 minus 40%. I just love that color in there. When my kids and I, when we go to the pumpkin patch, we see the red track with the pumpkin, and they love that. So when we went to Hobby Lobby, I actually went with them, and they saw it. They're like, oh, mommy. And so I got it. So this is going to go my outside for fall. So stay tuned to see more of that video. So let's move on from that. I mean, like, how beautiful is this? This is so cute. This is $13.99, and I love that beaded look with the muted, you know, color in the bottom. It just looks so cute. It was $13.99 from Hobby Lobby, and it was 50% off because all table decors are 50% off. Talking about beads, how beautiful is this? I'm gonna incorporate this in my fall decor. This was from Ross for $5.99. Ross doesn't have sale, so it was $5.99, like $6. And I just love that beaded look. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with my cake stand. I'm looking at it right now. It has that nice beaded look and also has that rustic color. I'm trying to get away from all things that shine too much and get me some like warmth in my home. I think it brings so much personality, and that represents me, who I am now, and what I love to do in my decor. So this will be so great for that. So guys, you guys know the amber glass that everybody talks about fall season. People use it for Christmas as well, but I'm gonna use this for fall so far. But this was actually not an amber glass. I didn't purchase this at any store. This was my what is it called, kombucha drink that is good for your gut. I bought this, and as I was playing around, I was in the car, I was peeling the sticker off, and then I peeled the whole sticker off, and I'm like, this is an amber glass that I can find this at what is it called, Target. I can find this at Walmart. I can find this anywhere. Obviously the side of it, like the bottle cap of it, is gonna look different because it doesn't look like it's screwed in, but it's basically the same. It's like the exact same color, and if you put some like cute thingy on there, I don't think you can see that edge, especially when it's from far. You won't be able to see that, you know, edge of it. That's fine with me. I'm cool. I'm cool seeing into the pillows, guys. This pillow, how beautiful that is, with the grateful sign. Like, how cute is this? I think this is so pretty, and I love the stripe on it. This was actually from Ross, and it was $12.99. I just think, like, you know, fall brings you into like Thanksgiving, and a lot of people remove their fall decor right after Thanksgiving, so this will be super cute for that. Okay guys, like, listen, how beautiful is this? I think everything is beautiful. Que linda, que linda. I think that's how you say it in Spanish. But this is so cute. This was also $12.99 from Ross. And I just love that color. I just love that cozy vibe, that cozy feel. And I can't wait to utilize that on my couch. So this with that, both of them were from Ross. Okay guys, listen. I love this thing. It's super cute. This from IKEA. This is from IKEA. And it's like this rough iron. These are candle holders. There's 3. There's a small, medium, and large one. They kind of look like this, but these are the same height. And I just put one on the book stand so that it can balance that. And I got these candles also at IKEA, like bunches of them. If you're interested of doing that type of look. But every time I see a fall home tour or Christmas home tour and I see these candles, I wonder where they're from, and I love them. A lot of people get them from Target, different stores, but then I find mine at IKEA, and this was actually $12.99, and it's super duper cute. I just love that so much. Decor right here behind me. This is Casa Urban woven throw blankets, and this was only $9.99, guys. This was from, there's that fly. Listen, this is from Ross actually. Like, my throw blankets, when I get them, and a lot of people who come here in my home ask me where they're from because they're such great quality. Ross got you. Like the one I'm looking at right now is such a great quality. It's that it has gray and white pattern to it. It's just so cute. And I think this, oh my god, I can't wait. I'm trying to get more like that orangey color to add to my fall collection. But this is super cute, and it was only $9.99 at Ross. And that brings me to what we got behind here. It's the last one. I can't pick it up. Well, it's not the last one. I have one more. But this is my throw blanket. Throw ladder. Ladder for my throw blankets. And I love ladder for throw blanket ladders. Like, every time I see them in like in a video or something, I wonder where I can get them. I search them different stores. They're super duper expensive, but this was at Hobby Lobby, and it was, let's see, $56.99, but I got it for $39.99, so like about $40. And I just love the fact that it has that rustic feel to it with the white. That's what I'm going for. I'm going for that cozy. So imagine like throw blankets on them with the, what is it called? Reef on top of it, but it's not gonna go right here. It's actually gonna go by my TV stand, and I can't wait to just bring everything together. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, definitely click on that subscribe button. I'll put it right here. And this is the last one. Listen, I don't know if you're familiar with Studio McGee. It's a company, but it's the McGee family. Shay McGee with her husband, and they do ladder like that. What is it called? Very bowl thingy, and she has like a big one of this. This was actually, I purchased this at the at the Goodwill, and it was about $1.99. It was very dirty, and it was like that ugly color. And I purchased this, and then I came home and I spray painted. Let me show you guys a little trick. Behind it, it says mushroom. I'm not putting mushroom in here, and I don't need, so it's gonna be this side, and I'm gonna put it in my kitchen. I'm gonna move it everywhere. You know, when I decorate for like whatever season, I'm always rearranging my home, even within that season. So let's say Christmas is for that 2 months, I'm gonna rearrange things around that 2 months. So that fall, this will move around, like from my fireplace to my kitchen to my entryway. I can't tell you exact specific spot where I'm gonna put it, but one thing I know, and I know for sure, is that I love it, and it was only $1.99. So this will be all for the video, guys. I'm so glad you watched it to the end. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Guys, if you like this video, click on that subscribe button to see more if you're new to my page. If you're oldie but a goodie, listen, I appreciate you. Thank you for rocking with me, and click on that like button, guys, so that this video can do great. That really helps my channel when you click on that like button. Comment, let me know what was your favorite, what did you like. Let me know. I take your feedbacks and I can do better next time. But this, I'm adding to my fall decor little by little. I got a couple of more things in my mind that I want to get, but I'm waiting for Walmart to stock up and the Dollar Trees to stock up so I can stay under my budget. But yeah, God bless you. Stay tuned to the next video. Bye, guys.